here are our drinks. Bear the noise, it's really, really loud in here. This one over here is the, which one is it? The Dragon Slug Slinger. No, that's this one, the Dragon Slug Slinger. Which Ashley's trying to point, but she doesn't realize she's off camera. This one here in the fancy cup is the Yub Nub. It's the $42 souvenir cup. And then this one here is the Outer Rim. Both of the outer drinks are mine. They both have tequila. They're both basically like margaritas. But we're gonna try them. We'll let you know which ones we like, which ones we maybe not like, but I have a feeling we're gonna love them all. I like the Yub Nub. Very strong grapefruit flavor. Overall, it's not too bad. Okay, Slug Slinger. That just tastes like a margarita. With some like pine tree. It's like a pine tree. Literally a pine tree. So I like this one. It's kind of minty. Okay, the Outer Rim. I think this is my favorite. Very citrusy, very orangey. Salt and pepper on the outside I can do without. That's salt and pepper. But the drink itself is really good. So overall, all three not bad. The Yub Nub is probably my least favorite. Again, this one, this is the Pine Tree, the slug one, the Slug Slinger. Not my favorite. This is the Outer Rim. This one is my favorite, by far. But I just wanted to kind of show again how everything looks in here. So really quickly, I apologize for the quality of this little section. It's really dark in this room. But we got these sweet and spicy popcorn. So far, all I've tried is lime. Ash, anything?
The purple one? There's
purple?
no taste.
Purple, there's no taste.
It's just sweet.
Okay, so it's a sweet. And the red, like I said, I got kind of a lime, and I haven't really had any spicy yet.
It's a caramel, like, you know,
caramel corn,
but I think it's just dyed purple.
Oh, okay. So the purple is like caramel corn, just dyed purple. Red has got the lime-ish flavor, and we'll let you know if we find any spicy. So while Ashley tries out more popcorn, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of Olga's Cantina. Since it was kind of hard, we were gonna do a little rundown, but it was really loud, really busy. They really do focus on the 45-minute time limit to get you in and out. So we didn't want to push that boundary. So we figured, hey, we'll get a little snack, and then we'll break down and give everything. Ashley's drink, the Yub Nub, which comes with its own cup. It's not the one you drink in. They give you a brand new one. It's okay. The grapefruit flavor is a little overpowering, but it's vodka with grapefruit. Overall, it's okay. My outer rim was the star. Just the Slug Slinger, the pine gave it a mintiness that was a little too overpowering for me. I like mint juleps, but this was a little too overpowering. But the outer rim was amazing. The little fruit puree, the tequila, the orange, it had a little foam with it. And then when you lick the salt and pepper and then take a sip, it was out of this world. It truly was an outer rim type experience. Really good, so I highly recommend that. If we go back, we're gonna try the other foam drink. I can't quite remember what it's called. But if we can go back later this week, we will make sure to try that one. They say it numbs your tongue, so that'll be interesting. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna get my drink again. Ashley, who knows what she's gonna get? She's very, very picky when it comes to her drinks and her alcohol. She hates tequila. I love tequila. So she likes whiskey. So there's a couple bourbon drinks. So I can anticipate her getting something with bourbon or some whiskey. So she might get the pork that doesn't have alcohol in it. So she's gonna finish her popcorn. She'll make her own. She's gonna finish the popcorn. I'm gonna munch. And then we're gonna kind of meander through and see where we end up. We have a fast pass later on, but I'm gonna save that one for later. What do you need to interrupt?
So the purple tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
What is that? The purple popcorn
Get a lot of it.
tastes like Fruity Pebbles. Is there a trend here, or does Disney just like Fruity Pebbles? So we have in fact determined that the purple one tastes like either Fruity Pebbles or Fruit Loops, but the red one, oh man, that chili lime though.
Well, one is in Main Street. It's that center one in Main Street. Main Street.
Turn all the way. Look left. Well, look my left. You're right. So where my point, I want you to look. This way.
Come over here and do this first. And you guys over here just run around.
I didn't understand like any of it, so.
Yes, that was right. She looks like she's on a mission to go somewhere though. You know who I haven't seen? I haven't seen Chewie at all. Ha!
Do I have any categories?
So Ash, overall, can this land withstand the test of time?
No.
No, it can't.
No, I want to see the new ride.
Well, yeah, she wants to see the new ride. Since it's been about 2 months since we were here, it does seem to hold up and do really well.
It's really hot.
It is still very hot. The breeze there are some wind tunnels that come through. But I do think this land will be able to withstand the test of time. You know, like I said, this is our second time here, and we are just as excited and overwhelmed with theming as we were the first time around. So we're gonna wander, we're gonna kill a little time. We have Haunted Mansion Fast Passes in about a half hour or so. So we've got a little time to kill. Before that, we might look for like a churro. There's a couple churros that I wanna try. So we're gonna look for that.
Try a churro?
I wanna try a churro for once in my life. It's usually Ashley, but it's me this time. So we're gonna kill a little time and we'll see where we catch up with you. It could be eating a churro, or it could be on Haunted Mansion. So I thought really quick we would show some of the treats over here at Pooh Corner. That's a big cookie. So you saw some of the treats that are offered here at Pooh Corner. This is one of our go-to little stores to kind of take a break, get a little AC, relax a little, unwind, because very rarely is this store crowded. You know, I mean, even now it's got a little more people than we're used to, and it's still not overly crowded. And the AC feels really nice. So this is definitely a store to check out, especially if you've ridden like Splash or Winnie the Pooh and you just want a little break. This whole side of the store over here is all desserts and little treats. And then the rest of it is all clothing, ears, Winnie the Pooh stuff. So this is definitely one of those stores to check out when you're over here in Critter Country. Well, this brings back memories. The little harbor galley secret path. Many a vlogs have been partaken upon on this little path. If you hang right where they sell the lobster, corn chowder, and all the seafood, come back here. It's a great little getaway. And look at this. I mean, does it get much better than this? The Columbia, Tom Sawyer's Island. I mean, it really doesn't get much better. It's never crowded. I mean, there's no one else back here. It's the perfect spot to come, relax, and kind of take in the scenic sights of Disneyland. And I know you all know that we love the sounds, the sights, but this is really a place where you can sit, relax, appreciate all that is Disney. You have Rivers of America, the Columbia, Tom Sawyer's Island, all those that I just mentioned. I mean, heck, it's gonna be tough to see in the deep background. The train is running. This is what Walt envisioned when he created Disneyland. A place so wonderful, so full of bliss. Words can't even describe how amazing this little view is. And if you kind of look through the trees, you can watch people go down Splash Mountain. I mean, come on. It does not get much better than right here. And you can watch people get drenched on Splash Mountain. The benefits of the Harbor Galley Path.